For the time being.
Por enquanto.
Running late.
Estar atrasado.
Let's call it a day.
Vamos encerrar por hoje.
I'm at the office today, and I've been working hard on a project. It's almost finished, but there's still some work to do. For the time being, I decide to take a quick break and check my emails. Suddenly, I realize I'm running late for a meeting with my boss. I grab my things and hurry to the meeting room. After the meeting, I look at the clock and feel relieved. The workday is almost over. I tell my team, let's call it a day. Everyone smiles, and we all leave the office to enjoy the evening. Yesterday, I had a very busy day at work. I was finishing a big project, and it was taking longer than I expected. For the time being, I decided to focus on one task at a time and not worry too much. But then, I realized I was running late for a lunch with a friend. I quickly packed up my things and rushed to meet her. After lunch, I went back to the office to finish my work. By the end of the day, I felt exhausted but happy. I said to my colleague, let's call it a day. It was time to go home and rest. Tomorrow, I will have a busy day at work. I need to finish a report and prepare for a meeting. For the time being, I will start by organizing my tasks and planning my day. But I know I will be running late for a lunch with my sister. We're meeting at 1 p.m., and I'll need to hurry after my morning work. By the end of the day, I'll feel tired but satisfied with everything I've done. I will say to my team, let's call it a day. Then I'll go home and relax. If I have a lot of work tomorrow, I'll need to focus on finishing everything. For the time being, I will start with the most urgent tasks. If I'm running late for my lunch with my sister, I'll have to hurry to meet her. I don't want to keep her waiting. At the end of the day, if I finish all my work, I'll say to my colleagues, let's call it a day. I'll be ready to relax and enjoy my evening.
Like and subscribe to the channel.